guys, welcome back to another amazing video. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can make a group session over on Spotify. So make sure to watch this video till the end and follow all the steps properly. And here we go. First of all, open up your Spotify. Now choose any song you want to listen. After that, in the bottom left of the song, you can see we have a PC icon on the bottom left here. So you just have to tap in there. Now here, one thing that I want to clear. If you want to make a group session, then you must be a paying subscriber of Spotify. If you're having a membership of Spotify, then here you will get a group session option, and from there you can easily create a group. But right here you can see I'm not a paying subscriber. I don't have any membership of Spotify. That's why I don't have any option right here. But if you're a paying subscriber, then definitely you will get the option over here, and using that you can create a group session. And that's how you can make a group session over on Spotify. So if you found this video helpful, guys, then make sure to give this a huge thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.